Hello guys, welcome back to Mix Up Culture.
Yeah, clear that from off the screen, the top screen. No, delete it. Just put it on the But Jimmy One is good, that's true. Jimmy One, relax.
No, it is some low one.
Look, one will make you fall in love with. One leg,
When make you fall in love?
No, really, but it makes you have a vibe. Sure, relax. I'm gonna get you one. Hey.
You can only get it.
I'm getting you. Have anyone? Wine.
Wine,
What type of wine? Sweet
red
wine?
wine, white wine, which one you want?
Sweet wine.
So you want a shot, buckle Chardonnay? Glass.
Yeah, glass,
Glass or buckle?
glass.
Chardonnay?
A sweet wine there.
Bring two, alright?
You ready?
One.
Let's say I'm a kid mood to them.
You think
I'm just a
you
listening.
think one can share from you?
One glass?
Alright, bring two. Alright, let's check.
You know what I'm saying?
What's the words? What was shit? What is it? The word. Girl, listen. What is it? The word.
They're the more. You know,
No, we're doing this little nice You never did us about the money, no? Crazy. You think me, but I look for you, say, huh?
one of me, I think.
You ain't getting no weed. Chill. You're getting no weed. I'm telling you, I ain't getting no weed. Chill, what do you finish it? What do you do? What do you do?
Always want to like watch movies.
Watch movie?
Yeah, I
What's
read.
your favorite movie?
Right now, I would say. What do you want to show them the message?
That's a favorite movie? So what's your favorite?
Vampire Diaries or Teen Wolf, like supernatural movie. Supernatural show.
Yeah, supernatural show. So you like adventures?
Yeah, then they can go on to.
That's cool. So what is your like before? I was watching movies. You like
Watching
going
movies.
out? You like traveling before? You want to travel?
Definitely. You can relax me?
Where would I want to go?
Alright, for the first time, we are going to go like military war,
So, where you calling
like Panama.
Okay, listen to me. Panama.
Don't go, but I go like
Come on.
don't.
No, I'm not saying Panama is nice, but I feel like too much people go Panama.
We didn't want to know before people want to go.
Well, yeah, but you feel like
We didn't want to put the car before more than 5 years. Because when we say my read, we read them in a book and we see the real place. Why do you think they get come on? Because it's nice. We didn't want to go here.
So, that's where I'm going. Panama and Panama. Where your first trip?
Well,
Expensive. I'll pay it. So, what would you want to do if you do go to Panama? What would I go? Alright, we're going to do zip line. You want to zip line?
come here, get this on you.
Big man, look at that zip line.
You want me to have over the big girl if me alone.
You know how far you do zip line? How far you going to zip line?
Further than that, Mr. Man. I'm not going to miss the money.
The one in Panama side.
Me no, I'm Mr. Man, you know, but if you open the burger, you can change your mind because I don't know, I'm not straight drive.
So, we don't get this one.
Some cocoa box.
Firework.
Too much egg.
So,
don't like stuff. When the Baba people do it, I'm not like to.
No, I had so many reasons to do so. I had so many men that I know you would have rejected me, so I've already made friends first.
Oh wow. When you know the much I look up now.
No, you're not telling me. No, you ain't gonna tell me nothing. We can go Monday. Listen, I don't want to go on weekend. Want to go on a weekend?
I don't think you're
Let's see you Saturday and Brady. Yeah, I treat me doing nice benefit.
I don't want to promise to that baby. But I can promise to that part.
So you can treat me on the day.
Remember we can buy a hot juice leaf, but
Young as it's from you, I'll take it. That's so beautiful.
you sure it's not true?
Children, what do you know? How often have you ever went out and dinner dates, like, you know, class?
Let's look for that home and stuff. Oh my God, no, but
Yeah, you got to go box, please. No, which part them? Yeah, you know what better.
You explore good moments. Yeah, a lot of food. And I wanted to look. I wanted to feel really special. Everything bleeding when you get off the road.
yeah, you still got to the moments to say. You know what I'm doing. They took me to come away.
Yeah, they were printing up take time there.
Everyone be everyone be the dog. Me and home to school.
What is it? So I don't even ask her to put up for you working on
No, but I'm not food. Yeah, you can make the one down.
Yeah.
If you turn the camera by here, no.
No.
I think it was a successful one.
Put this on there.
You can do it.
You ready for the finale?
Which finale?
What time is it?
Oh, you're not ready for the finale?
There you go, my brother.
Alright, let me take it.
Yeah, so the party start.
You say party start?
How much meter are you doing?
Where I want them.
Oh, come on. How much meter are you doing?
I will take more 50 time ready for them.
I'm gonna tell you, this is the ring, right?
How can I eat that box here? Yeah, no, I like it.
This is the ring.
Why are you looking at my head so deep?
Boy. Come a little.
Make sure it's the killer. I'm a mother, no must
Give you some will make your night.
Yeah, people, I say, well, earthquake,
Close it.
I say, no, I'm really close my eyes, true.
Close it. Open it. Finish.
Man, I'm close with you, man, I'm close, seriously.
Close it.
Show them clothes. Mommy, them clothes, the chap.
That's good. Now for you're right.
I'm not gonna close my car and run joke. I'm not run the joke.
I'm not gonna do that.
Let's go inside.
Come on.
Very good, Very good,
Where's the gun?
Hey, good man. We'll double check it and make sure.
I'm gonna take out the screen.
No, take off the case. Take the case off. No, like, yes.
Yeah, Jolly. Yeah, Jolly.
Take it off. It's like a camera.
Yeah, but Cameron, what did you do? Alright, Jelly.
Yeah, good job. Oh God. Oh God.
So try. Hey, Craig. Thank you, girl. That's so sweet.
Yeah, man, this stuff.
They better get a
Smile and show me beautiful lips now.
Where's the air and
The friend of my cousin's brother.
Sure you don't want to get no one? One could be nice.
She can't come back.
already done.
I don't want to be the old, I'm just not ready to just gotta come out and push the video.
Try this out.
No, I didn't. I would order it. I would order them there. That juice. Yeah, I did it. I'm not juice to one and
Some of the juice.
This is Wait, this thing can you?
That's all it is.
Check.
Steady along.
I think I had a freeze on the corner.
Shine, come on. Shine.
Where do people have go to them? Enough is it?
Huh?
Enough?
Oh, that able.
The comments people ask for you, I know them ears.
No, dog. That's your advice, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that camera. Dude.
Waiting on your wife.
Right? I heard this
Let's pay the bill. Yeah? The most important part. Marvin, you got it?
That's how I still know.
Got it, Marvin? Spencer. Darling, my friend would like the bill, please. I hope it's nothing we can't manage. What can I do? Am I gonna feel this? Well, I'm funny.
Hey, how much you feel about the one?
A big strike in like
That's it?
I'll do that together. How do you?
It's right there.
You should have it knocking.
box of weed.
It's right there. So, what's your favorite part of the Right? Bigger than you. That's not natural. It's bigger than you.
That's not all that matters.
Unless it's bigger than you. Unless it's bigger than you, that's all I know. I know you don't like it. Deserve it, man. Lips are blue. Stop your idea. It's cool. Let me try. Try it.
Come win. Come win. Get over Barbie, you know? You know exactly over Barbie.
for this. Then 1, 2, 3, then start. 1,
Maybe that one is. They can't hold up on the game.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You know what? There is a.
It's called there are some ones in there. Can I get the bill, please?
Thing she forget. Thing she forget.
But it's red.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.